here. Thank you so much for joining me. And in this video we will be doing a sound challenge. So I have our singing bowl here that we use in our classes. So I'll just put that down here for a moment. So before we use the singing bowl, I'm going to ask everyone just to bring your hands together. Let's warm up our hands so we can get the energy moving through our hands. It might be a little bit cold today, so we'll take a deep breath in. So just bring that warm to our hands. Beautiful. So trusting everyone's washed their hands before sitting down. So we'll rub our hands together. Just going to invite you to put your hands over your eyes. So we'll make sure that our eyes are super relaxed. Beautiful. Let's rub our hands once more. So this time we'll be bringing our hands and that beautiful warmth, that energy to our ears. So we want to make sure that our listening ears are switched on. So we have our superhero hearing on today. So let's bring the warmth to our ears. Amazing. That sounded a little bit like the ocean. Let's rub our hands one more time. Beautiful. And then we'll just bring that one here around to our hearts, so our hearts are nice and warm and open today. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm feeling a little bit more relaxed. I hope you are too. I'll invite everyone watching to close down your eyes. So with our eyes closed, I'm going to ask you to wait, and just wait until the sound of the singing bowl finishes. Okay, so we'll do a first little practice one with everyone. So when you're ready, we'll close down our eyes and just being patient and listening for the sound of the bowl. And when the sound stops, we'll open our eyes. All right, very good, very good. Let's do another practice just in case. Okay, so when you hear the sound stop, then that's when we'll start to open our eyes. Okay, let's do it together. So eyes are closed, no peeking. Fantastic. Terrific. Do you think we should try it again? Okay, let's do it again. All right, eyes are closed. Let's see how long the bowl will sing for this time. So eyes are closed. Amazing. Well done, everyone. Okay, I'm going to try and see if I can make it ring differently this time. So we'll close our eyes. This will be our last one today, okay? So with our eyes closed, I might like to just take a big deep breath in and out. Beautiful. We'll do it one more time, and any worries that we'll have, we'll breathe them in and we'll let them go. Beautiful. All right, last one. Eyes are closed and we're ready. Well done, everyone. Fantastic. Great listening skills. which means we've got great focus. So I wonder if there's, you know, something at home, maybe it's there's some birds outside that we can just stop throughout the day. We can sit down, take a big deep breath, and just listen to the sounds that you might hear outside. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Namaste.